New Business Now LLC Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be giving you an in-depth review of New Business Now LLC, a platform designed to streamline the process of forming an LLC for entrepreneurs and small business owners. I've added links to the product in the description so you can explore it further. New Business Now LLC offers a simple, user-friendly process for registering your business and setting up your LLC. It's targeted at entrepreneurs who want to avoid the complexity of legal paperwork and want a quick, efficient way to set up their business. The platform provides an easy-to-navigate interface, which helps guide users through each step, from selecting a business name to filing the necessary state forms. Key features include a fast LLC formation process, the option to get an EIN, employer identification number, and registered agent services. They also offer compliance tools to help you stay on track with ongoing business requirements, such as annual report filing. If you're in need of business banking support, they can assist with opening a business account, and they provide access to useful business resources like operating agreements. What stands out about New Business Now LLC is its affordability, with no hidden fees. The service is designed for those who need a no-frills, straightforward solution for forming an LLC without the headache of dealing with traditional legal services. The platform's focus on user experience ensures that even first-time business owners can navigate it easily, making it an excellent choice for those who are new to setting up a business. To summarize, New Business Now LLC is a solid, reliable option for anyone looking to form an LLC quickly and easily. It's affordable, easy to use, and provides all the essential tools to get your business up and running.